Alright, so the wife is home and I'm off kid duty temporarily. You're never really off kid duty as a parent, but anyway, I got a buddy coming over this weekend to take care of this porch. It needs a lot of work done to it, so I want to power wash and kind of clean everything up and get it ready for them to get here and just start getting to work. That's why. So to give you guys some perspective of how dirty the porch is, or at least the siding, there's kind of a pretty thick dirt line right here. I sprayed this part, and below is pretty dirty. I'm not trying to get everything super clean, just want to kind of get it somewhat cleaned up because some of this stuff is going to be covered by some maintenance-free things, and we may be ripping out some things as well that are just rotted and no good anymore. Alright, so we're all finished. It's much better in here. I love maintenance-free siding. It makes this type of work go much faster. So like I said, my buddy's coming over this weekend to do a lot of work on this porch because it's just in it just needs a lot of work. It needs a lot of TLC. Carpentry is not my forte, so I just wanted to kind of show you guys what this porch is looking like. The video probably doesn't show it too well, but this is actually like chipping away and everything. You know, big chunks of stuff missing. So we're gonna be putting some maintenance-free stuff up here, some softening, vinyl softening. So that'll be good. We won't need to paint that anymore. You're gonna see it's pretty bad up in here. And then on the spindles, you can just see the spindles need to be painted and just a lot of work. And then these posts need a lot of work too. There's just a lot of rotted wood. Most likely these posts are going to need to be replaced. Luckily they're not weight bearing. Here's another example of this rotted post. There's just several areas on this porch that need a lot of work, and more work than I think I can handle by myself. So called in reinforcements to help me out with this, and it should be good. So I'm going to go inside and get some dry clothes and enjoy the rest of the evening.